Hello students, how are you? Hope you are all fine. Today I will discuss about opium. I, Dr. Kamran Javed Naqvi, Associate Professor, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Rama University, Kanpur, will discuss about the opium. So, what is the outcome of this session? After completing this video, students shall be able to explain about opium, develop skills for the cultivation and collection of opium, learn about the phytochemical importance of opium, identify opium samples and adulteration. So let's discuss about the opium. Opium is a highly addictive narcotic drug which is obtained by the incision from the unripe capsules of opium poppy, which is known as Papaver somniferum, belonging to family Papaveraceae. It is commonly known as Big O, or you can say God's medicine, black pill, dream gun. These are the common names of this plant. Opium is obtained by slightly incising the seeds capsules of the poppy after the plant flower petals have fallen. These slit capsules exude milky latex that coagulates and changes color, turning into a gum-like brown mass upon exposure to the air. So you can see these pictures uh, which are showing the unripe capsule and these are the pictures which are showing the unripe capsule, in how incision is made in the capsule and how the latex exudes from these incised capsules. So all the cultivation about the opium is very restricted and governed by the government of India. In India, all the activities about the opium and its derivatives are controlled by Narcotic and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. The cultivation is done from November to March and propagation is done by sowing the seeds about 3 to 4 kg per hectare. After 3 to 4 months, plant bears flowers which are converted into capsules and within few days attain maturity after 15 to 20 days. Such capsules are incised vertically in the afternoon with the help of a specific needle-like structure known as nastar, and the incision is done vertically, which is about 2 mm deep. Because of the incision, latex exudes out and thickened due to cold weather in the night, and in the next morning it is scraped and collected by a scoop like structure called as charpla. The average yield of opium is about 25 to 26 kg per hectare, and opium collected by this way is either exported or some of the part is further processed in government opium factory at Gazipur. Let's discuss about the chemical constituents of opium. Latex. In the latex mainly contains alkaloids, and these alkaloids are placed under benzoisoquinoline, and phenanthrene type of alkaloids. Benzoisoquinoline alkaloids are papaverine, narcotine, narsine, and phenanthrene type of alkaloids are morphine, codeine, and thevenin. Opium should contain not less than 9.5% of morphine. This is very necessary for the quality of opium. And all these alkaloids of opium are present as a salt of meconic acid, which is used in the identification test of opium. So the chemical structure of morphine is shown here. This morphine contain the phenanthrene type of ring, which is shown here, and this contain two hydroxy group. These are the hydroxy group present in the opium alkaloids. So if this hydroxy group is replaced by methoxy group, this is called as codeine, and if both the hydroxy group are replaced by methoxy group, this is called as thevenin, and if these hydroxy group are replaced by acetyl group, this is called as heroin, which is a very potent addictive narcotic drug. This is about the chemical test of opium, how to identify opium. So opium is dissolved in water, opium powder is dissolved in water, and the filtrate is mixed with ferric chloride solution, which gives deep reddish purple color, which on addition of the hydrochloric acid persist. You can say the color of deep reddish purple color is persist after the addition of HCl2. Uses. What are the uses of opium? First of all, it is a potent analgesic. Second one, codeine. The second chemical constituent, codeine, have antitussive properties, so it is widely used in many cough medicines like Pfizer's Corex, Benadryl, and papaverine have muscle relaxant effect, and narcotine is used in the preparation of cup lentuces. So this is about the all about the opium and opium alkaloids. Here you can understand about the opium, the alkaloids present in the opium, how it is cultivated, and the government regulation of opium, and what are the chemical constituents present, which type of alkaloids are present in the opium, and what are the uses of this opium, and how to identify opium. Thank you all for your kind attention.